nexus between police demanding for money to release you. If at all money will be dropped, that money should be a finality. So to ask for someone to stand for you at the same time asking for money is very, very illegal. And Nigeria shall be free again. Everyone is presumed innocent until proved guilty. But can the police arrest over civil matters? Purely no. You have taken money from the bank as a loan and you're not able to return when you promise to return. Is that an offense or a crime? No. Let's begin now. Again, my name is Kayode Aderemi. This is your program, The Law and You, and this is your station, Rock City 101.9 FM. Alright, let's begin with question 1. Which law is supreme in Nigeria? Which law is supreme? Òfin wo ló lágbára jù ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nigeria? You want to know? Okay. It is called the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999. It was made in 1999. That is supreme law. And don't take my word for it. You can check section 1, subsection 3 of that constitution. You know, it clearly states, and I quote, that if any other law is inconsistent with the provisions of this constitution shall prevail, and that other law shall to the extent of the inconsistency be void. That means any law that is not in tandem, that is not in sync with the constitution shall be null and void. So the mother of all laws in Nigeria is the 1999 constitution. Now question 2. Which part of the constitution directly affects me as a Nigerian? Alright, that part is called part 4. Constitution has about 8 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. But part 4, or chapter 4 talks about what we call fundamental rights. Alright, they are so basic. They touch every person, every Nigerian, basically speaking. So today we shall be beaming our searchlight on section 36 of that chapter 4 of the 1999 Constitution. What this place is saying is there are 3 operative words, operative phrases we should bear in mind to understand what that place is saying. Just follow these 3 things. The 3 things must coexist simultaneously. If it is to be said that there has been a fair hearing in a particular case, hearing or trial, 3 things must, again I repeat, must be present. 1 is reasonable time. What is reasonable time? That is, somebody must be tried within a reasonable time, or at least taken to the court within a reasonable time. Number 1 is this: up from the time of arrest, every person must be charged in court if such reason for arrest warrants charging the matter to the court within 24 hours. That's 1 day. That is at most, maximum, the person must be charged in a competent court of law. Now, however, if a court is now more than 40 kilometers from the place of arrest, then the person may be kept for 48 hours, for 2 days. Of course, it will be that will be difficult, you know, to say that a court is more than 40 kilometers from a point of arrest. Right? So most courts are actually far closer than that. So what that is saying is that if a court is over 40 kilometers farther from the point of arrest or place of arrest, then there may be a detention for more than 1 day. But if not, then police officers, my friends, you are hearing me now, and all that, civil defense officers and every other person that has, even vigilante, OPC, whatever. By the way, when OPC and the likes, when you arrest, the proper thing you have to do is to immediately, again I repeat, immediately hand over to the police. They have prosecutorial powers. They listen, do investigations and the likes. Alright, now how do I know that reasonable time means 24 hours or 48 hours respectively? Don't take my word for it. You can check section 35, paragraph A and B of the Constitution of Nigeria 1999. It defines what reasonable time means. Now, second thing that must exist is this: there must be a hearing of that person by a court, a competent court, or a tribunal established by law. Established by law. That is very, very important.